This application here will help you qualify for the Layer 0 airdrop. This is the Layer 0 gas.zip refuel feature. So you can send small amounts of cryptocurrency between different networks. They also have an inscriptions feature. That's basically like burning money. And you can do that if you want to try to increase your transaction count for Layer 0. However, in terms of actual utility, I think the gas refuel feature is awesome. So all you have to do is connect your wallet and then select a chain that you want to transfer from. So they've got quite a few options here. I recommend choosing a cheap one. So some of them are more expensive than others. For example, AVAX or Binance Smart Chain, Base even, those are quite cheap. Now this refuel feature is very similar to what you would use if you're on Merkley's Layer 0 gas refuel, except it's a little bit more versatile because you can refuel multiple chains at once. And Bungee is another refuel feature that only lets you do one for one. But again, gas.zip is great because you can hit multiple chains at the same time. So I could send funds from Avalanche to, let's just pick a couple, Celo, Harmony, Gnosis Chain, maybe Binance Smart Chain. And then some of these you can send quite a lot, others less so. So the max refuel for Gnosis Chain is 0.05 XDAI, which is 5 cents. For Harmony, the max refuel is 19 cents. On Celo, it is less than 5 cents. And then on Binance, you can actually refuel almost $500, but let's just refuel, maybe a very small amount of BNB. So as you can see, once I select all of the output or destination chains and the amount that I want to send to each of them, I can look right down here and see what the total is going to be. So Layer 0 takes a fee for this. It's kind of expensive, and you're basically burning this money to try and maximize the airdrop. But here, now I'm sending 4 different transactions, routing it through the Layer 0 protocol. So this will help my wallet level up for the Layer 0 airdrop. And also sometimes it's useful. Like if you ran out of money to pay for transactions on Gnosis Chain or whatever, then you can just send a small amount and that should be able to cover it. So once you've selected from and to, just hit send and then confirm the transaction in your wallet. And it should match up pretty closely with what you see over here. This is the gas fee for the transaction, which is separate from the actual Layer 0 fee. So in total, I'm spending $2.20 to ship 4 transactions through the Layer 0 protocol. Not bad. And there we go. It was pretty quick. It's already processed through Avalanche and it's just processing now through Layer 0. So it's a great feature. Now the other thing that you can do here, if you scroll down to the bottom, is they have these Layer 0 inscriptions. So this is the other way you can use this application to interact with Layer 0. So let's open this up. Now it opens up in a separate tab or a separate application. You have to connect your wallet over again. And once you get in, you can mint these inscriptions. So this is, again, basically burning money. The inscriptions are called GUE, $GUE, and you can choose which networks you want to mint them on. So let's just choose couple of random cheap networks to mint some inscriptions on, maybe Mantle. So each inscription or set of inscriptions that you mint on the chain is going to trigger a different Layer 0 message. So again, this is 4 messages and it's going to cost me in total 0.05 AVAX, so really not that much, just a couple of dollars. And there's tons of cap space on this. It's only minted at 1.43%. So again, it's possible that these inscriptions could someday be worth something. I'm kind of skeptical, and you have to treat this like you're literally just burning money to run up your transaction or message count on Layer 0. So let's hit send here and confirm in the wallet, see what the total cost is going to be. Again, if I select the low transaction fee to minimize the gas, it's about $2.50 to hit 4 more transactions on Layer 0. So let's confirm that. Great, so it confirmed on Avalanche, and once it actually confirms through Layer 0, it'll show up here in the My Balance, and then you can keep spamming these as much or as often as you want. So yeah, this is a great application, a great way to run up your transaction count for Layer 0. It's not a great way to run up your transaction or bridging volume. If you want to do that, you got to just go to the actual Stargate bridge and then try to move large amounts of ETH or USDC or whatever. But for transaction count, this is a great application. So hopefully you found this tutorial helpful, and see you later.